Did you know that using aftermarket bumpers in repairs of vehicles could cause a problem? Why? Because the sensors were tested on the particular automaker's exact specifications of material and thickness. Some automakers raise concerns when it involves the sensitivity of sensors that are involved in the advanced driver assist systems. The size or thickness or even the material of the part, if not made to manufacturer specifications, could create a problem. From the beginning, sensors are calibrated and tested by manufacturers to work through a specific parameter or tolerance. Sensors are also aimed and calibrated to the vehicle centerline and/or ride height. In the case of aftermarket parts, what happens if the part is thicker than tolerances allow? This could give a faulty reading. What if the part has sensor holes that are slightly different or not straight in the way the sensor mounts? Again, these specifications are designed for the optimum performance of the vehicle's safety features. If you make a business decision to use these parts, then you'll have to verify that they work properly. This is where recalibrations come in. No matter what part you use, anytime you R&I or replace a part that is part of the safety features, it should be recalibrated. Mill thickness of paint or plastic repair on a bumper may also interfere with the sensors by blocking sensitivity. This is fairly common in the repair industry. Many sensors can be painted but not refinished. Also, sanding for refinish can damage sensors too. Plastic repair can also interfere with sensors. In many vehicles, Doppler radars are mounted on quarter panels. A plastic repair on or near the point where the radar operates can severely limit or stop the blind spot detection system from operating correctly, or operating at all. There is a reason that when dealers do a recalibration and it fails, the first thing they will look at is whether the body shop installed OE glass or aftermarket. The assumption is that it worked fine before the glass was replaced, so the glass would be the obvious focus. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, OE parts are the only choice when it comes to making sure the safety systems in today's sophisticated vehicles work properly after a collision repair.